This is why I started my dumpster rental business. So there's many reasons why people start businesses. Most of the time, someone has something they love to do. They want to make their own business around it. There's an overall general salary you're going to make. And with your own business, you have the potential to scale endlessly. Well, I wanted to start something of my own. I guess partly I was tired of working for somebody and I wanted to be my own boss and take my financials in my own hands. So I did a lot of research and I found a business model I wanted to do, dumpster rental business. It was important to me to find something that wasn't going to be very labor intensive. So as the start, it's not so much labor involved. As of right now, I have one dumpster. I drop it off. The customer fills it up over a couple days to a week, and I come pick it up and take it to the dump. So that beats being there'll be more, but my goal is to get it to a point where it can run by itself. So I know there's a lot of work involved with that, and I'm ready for that. And another reason I chose dumpster rental business was it's essential pandemic proof. It's economy collapse proof. That's the biggest thing you got to consider when starting your business. For some reason, if another COVID happened, people are still going to always need to get rid of stuff. And thankfully, I live in an area where construction is nonstop. People are putting up houses left and right. So even the economy takes a turn, the wealthy money's still moving here for some reason and putting up homes. So pretty secure with that, even no matter what the economy does. So it's important to find something pandemic proof, economy proof, so you don't have to worry when things take a turn for the worst. So to summarize, if you're tired for working for someone else, you're ready to no longer have a cap on your financials, if you're ready to potentially spend more time with your family and be your own boss, starting a business could be amazing. Again, make sure you do your research, and you have to put in the work. Be ready to put in the work, seek help from others, and don't forget to be grateful in the process. Thank you so much for watching this short video. If you're interested in looking at other videos, how to start your dumpster rental business, click on my profile, check out my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.